This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can hide or show this battery voltage icon inside the DJI Go app's main screen. So at the start you will need to launch the SAIT DJI Go app and enter the camera feed. From here, enter settings by tapping at the three horizontal dots to your top right and select the battery category. Now scroll down and look for the show voltage on main screen toggle, which you can switch off to hide this information from your camera feed or main screen, or if you would like to see it at all times, you can switch it on respectively. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.